everyone, it's Louise with Louise McCarrot, and welcome to my mess. I'm knee-deep in a project, or projects. I just did some jar lids. I just did a special project I'm working on that's an experiment. And because this color palette is so cool, I've decided I'm going to make coasters out of them as well. So, let me just get started. I'm going to just dive in, and I will talk about the colors as I go. Because it's cool in here, and I don't want my paints to get too cold. You know, some days you're worried about it being too hot. Other days you're worrying about it being too cold. It's like, oh, when is the balance going to be here? It's there every twice a year. Okay, so there's the pillow, which is my Multi-Pro by PPG. It's 47-3110. And I'm getting near the end of this. Here are my colors. Now, this is a color palette from a specially requested from an artist, and I don't think I'm going to share that special request yet because I don't think I'll have that particular creation done by the time I'll be able to release this video. But this is essentially a shading gray with Modern Masters Pearl White. This is, that's from Golden. This is Golden's Silver, essentially. And this is a winter cold feel for me. Represents the weather, where we went from 50 degrees to 30 and 25 degrees in 12 hours. So this is a Chantilly lace combination with TLP's Whitehaven and Iridescent Pearl by Golden. And I'm making coasters out of this because I've got it's a good color combination, and these paints are just not going to last very long. Okay, I had to make sure this was my black. This is carbon black with some Deco Art Obsidian and some Deco Art black base paint and some Amsterdam. Yeah, it's getting thick already. Amsterdam's Lamp Black. So I really went whole hog on this black. I used the Lamp Black from Amsterdam, which is a tube paint to thicken up my colors, because my colors were just too thin. All right, my cell activator, which is video 141, if you want to take a look at that. Here's my white. I want to put down more white than black. And the black. Just a dribble. Here we go. Nice. Sometimes the blow works out well. Sometimes the blow gets you. This time it worked out nicely. Just stretching the paint to the edges so it has good flow. Yeah, this color combination is dynamo. It's just gorgeous. And it's just elegant, you know? And yeah, I had a special request for this color palette, and I will reveal that when I do reveal that video that I made this color palette with. Little spin. Yeah, I've gotten so bad. I've been bad about finding a good color palette and then not exploiting it and using it up to the bottom. And what I end up doing, and if you could look at my table here, you would see I have a mound of, I don't know, maybe 25 little tubs like this of paint that I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Because you know, after a while, you know, I can have a paint go for 2 weeks or so, and I'll reconstitute it a little bit with some spritz of water, a little bit of the Minwax, a little bit of pouring medium with maybe a little bit more color. But, you know, after a while, it just gets too thick. I mean, I hate to throw things away, but if it's so thick, you just can't do anything with it. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Oh my Lord. Gorgeous. Oh, so pretty. Oh wait, I want to check the sides first. I want to make sure that my corners and my sides, where it's not flowing to yet, are covered. Just want to coax it over the edge a little bit. Like right here, see? I don't know if you can see that. I've got paint there, but I don't have paint here on this edge. So you coax it to the edge, like this one too. Look, that's raw. Right there is raw tile. So I'm going to coax it over, maybe throw a little extra down there so it has a place to flow to. Give it a little head start. Okay. Let's go the other way. Oh, this is just so pretty. It's so pretty. It's amazing that a monochromatic can be so pretty. But I'll tell you what, though. With something like this, you're not hiding in the color because you have to have I'll talk about it in a minute. So the thing about something like this that's very monochromatic, there's no place to hide in the color. And sometimes you create something, you can make some mistakes, but something like this, I mean, it is showing everything. It is very bare. Bare and beautiful. Oh my God, it's gorgeous. Get a little more over here. Come on, flow off. Let's give it a little assistance. This one's almost done. Wow, so pretty. You know, we always think color, 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 but you know what? Sometimes the absence of color is what makes something so beautiful. Just a little kiss to get that air bubble out. I've been saying to dunk your spots, but I'm turning over a new leaf. I'm now saying, just kiss them. It wants love. It doesn't want to be dunked. All right, just maybe one more spin to get the corners off, and I think this is done. Just beautiful. Oh, it's beautiful. I do like to make these. Here we go, folks. Look at this. Gorgeous. So everyone, that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed the video, and even though it was a monochromatic color scheme, I think the results are still pretty stunning. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, hit the bell and all. You'll get all my latest art tutorials. Leave a comment too. I'd like to hear what you guys think. At the end, I will have a link to my coasters playlist so you can see other color combinations and composition. And that's all for now, and take care, everybody, until next time. Thanks a lot, everybody.